and welcome to 93 Holt Avenue, a beautiful 3-bedroom semi on one of Mosman's most beautiful tree-lined streets. Hi, my name's David Smearley, proudly representing Pello, and I cannot wait to show you this incredible opportunity. This home offers a blend of classic character and modern comfort, with a private north-facing backyard which is perfect for entertaining. Inside this amazing home, you'll find 3 spacious bedrooms, 2 of them with built-in wardrobes, as well as original high ceilings and timber floors. The generous living room flows to a versatile dining area, which could also double as a home office. The full bathroom includes a separate bath and shower, with separate laundry for added convenience. The gas kitchen provides plenty of counter space, storage, as well as a breakfast bench, making it both practical and functional. Outside, the sunny courtyard provides a private retreat, ideal for relaxing and entertaining. One of the standout features of this property has to be its potential for renovation. Whether you choose to open up the existing single-level floor plan, or whether you add a second story to take advantage of this location, this home offers exciting possibilities to those who are looking to add value and make it their own. Located just moments from local supermarkets, cafes, private schools, as well as excellent access to city transport, both by buses and ferries. This is an incredibly rare opportunity to buy in one of Mosman's most prestigious streets. Having walked you through this home, I know that this is a property that will not last long. So if you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to give me a call, and I look forward to seeing you at our next inspection.